didn't score any tries, so that's pretty much it. I'd say that we had opportunities. I think probably 4 opportunities in the first half, including the one right on half time. Then at half time there was no panic. I thought we could come back. They were under a warning. We got a person in the sin bin, and then unfortunately we just didn't play like we have been playing. And whether it's a bit of fatigue from the players, I'm not sure, but. We just didn't hang on to the ball. Again, I think we created enough opportunities to win the game, but to walk away in front of our home fans without a try scored is obviously disappointing for everyone.
Despite that, just some positives from this match.
Yeah, I think Ilya was unbelievable. Played 80 minutes, carried hard. Obviously, Frank, I thought, led well, kicked really well from the box after having a pretty average high shot from minute 1. I think he went well, but look, there's not a lot of positives come out of that. Our line-out didn't work as well as we'd like. Our handling wasn't good enough. And, when we've got opportunities to play, we kick the ball away. So it's a balance that we need to get right. We put it on to the boys this week that this is the 3rd game in a row for a lot of them, and an opportunity to create history, and we didn't do it.
Frank, just a reflection on this match and what we need to improve heading to the Blues next time.
Yes, I was going to continue what Nanjeko said. Is we just didn't execute when we get to their half, especially in that first half. We had a few 22 entries and we just didn't execute. So that's probably one of the things that we're going to have to take moving forward into these 2 next games in New Zealand.
Frank, what are some positives that you take away from today?
Some of the positives is that our physicality is still there. We want to kill teams, but when we get the ball back, we just need to make sure that we play and make use of our free plays instead of just kicking the ball away. So yeah.
Blues your expectation?
Away game, bigger challenge. We haven't won a game away, and that is a big challenge for us to go to Auckland and put a show there that we want to go there and win games. So to win games, it takes prep, and we got to make sure that we train well. And like I said, we haven't won a away game in a very long time. So that is the aim.
Just go to the fans who turned up today.
And we can't thank our fans enough for showing up today. Wasn't the result or the show we wanted them to or expected. But we just want to thank them for showing up here in Lautoka, especially in the rain. So,
Coach Frank, we had a lot of opportunities to score. We have a lot of opportunity to cross the try line. A lot of silly mistakes. For Henry was one. We didn't capitalize on the yellow card. What will it take for the Drua to capitalize on these opportunities going forward with this being our 3rd loss this season?
Yeah. What's the question? Sorry, around all of it. What do we take? Oh, we need to stop making mistakes, right? So, what we did against the Hurricanes, was obviously a fantastic performance. You've seen what the Hurricanes have done. What we did against the Brumbies was brilliant because we took our opportunities, and today we didn't. So you've answered your own question that to win in Super Rugby, the Reds came here with a good game plan. I think defensively, as Frank said, we put enough good shots on, turned their ball over. But to walk away with 3 tries to none, it's just isn't good enough for the people of Fiji. And unfortunately, we take this on the chin. And as Frank said, we've got 2 very tough games now in the Blues and the Crusaders. So you got to learn from that. You can't drop your lip and obviously listen to everything that's going on around the place. They've always got to put in a good show and get on a plane and beat the Blues in Auckland.